Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one out of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of May, 2025, our system has categorized Amazon as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.20. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders. A reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. If the stock breaks above the upper trend line at $210.25, it will initially suggest a slower rate of decline, but may also signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately -5.15% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -23.04% to -0.85%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 12.09%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -5.42% and 39.38% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $190.22 and $280.31. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, "A valuation of Amazon stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Amazon stock price fell by 1.45% on the last day, Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, from $204.07 to $201.12. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.70% from a day low at $200.06 to a day high of $203.46. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.58% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 12 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that risks could increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 41 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.19 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, and the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 17.07%, or $41.40 below the 52-week high, and 84.59%, or $1,104.08, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. In recent developments, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy assured shareholders that the tariffs imposed by the previous administration have not adversely impacted sales or average selling prices. This stability in consumer spending can lend confidence to investors, potentially supporting a positive outlook for Amazon shares in the short term. Moreover, Nike's decision to raise prices and return to selling on Amazon highlights a revitalization of brand partnerships on the platform, which can enhance product offerings and revenue. As major retailers turn to Amazon, this could bolster the company's market position and stock value. Amazon's quarterly performance also shows promise, with first quarter fiscal year 2025 revenues reaching $165.7 billion, reflecting a 10% year-over-year increase, supported by strong retail and Amazon Web Services growth. Operating income surged by 20%, indicating efficient cost management amid significant investments in artificial intelligence. With Amazon Web Services revenue hitting an annualized run rate of $117 billion, the long-term growth prospects look robust. However, the recent rejection of shareholder proposals focused on climate and artificial intelligence oversight does suggest a cautious approach from investors regarding governance issues, which could weigh on sentiment in the long run. Nevertheless, as major investors express confidence in the company's resilience amid market fluctuations, Amazon is well positioned for continued growth in the evolving retail landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Amazon a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that JMP Securities rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. Again on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Tigris Financial also rated Amazon with a buy grade and a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald reported a hold grade for Amazon with a hold action. On that same Friday, Goldman Sachs gave Amazon a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is evident from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $206.25. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average, around $188.32. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could affect the near-term development of the stock. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, with the stock having declined by 4.85% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor this stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average. Sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average. Buy signal 21 days ago. A long-term moving average. Sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 51 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $191.10. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock generally experiences moderate daily movements, and with decent trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.40 between its high and low, which equates to 1.70%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 1.82%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, commonly found in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.34. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $203.80. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $191.10. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Harrington Douglas J., who bought and sold 28,704 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 74.022. Overall, insiders purchased 211,590 shares and sold 1,340,332 shares in the last 100 trades. We have received a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Currently, Amazon exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation from hold or accumulate to sell. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 22nd of May, we anticipate Amazon will open higher by approximately 425 1/1000ths of the dollar, starting at a price of $201.55. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.